This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Chavez. Incredible opportunity to own an entire duplex at Chics Beach. Close to the bay, public beach access, and popular restaurants. Each unit has 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, eat-in kitchen, in-unit laundry hookups, living room, and a deck. Excellent investment opportunity. Strong rental history, both units are currently leased. Potential to live in one unit while renting out the other, or continue to rent out both. Upgrades include siding less than a year old, LVP flooring in top unit, laminate in bottom unit. Spacious lot with fully fenced backyard. Space for 4 or more cars on the concrete parking pad in the front of the home. For more information, review the details.